everyone, it's me, Molly!
Molly of Denali.
Let's go!
She's Molly of Denali.
Woo!
By plane, a sled, or snowshoe, she is ready to explore. From Cactola down to Juneau, always wanting to learn more.
Yeah!
Together with her best friend, Tuli, always by her side.
And Trini!
Discovering the outdoors on adventures day and night.
Come along with Molly.
Molly,
Through fields of fire we come along with Molly.
Molly, from tundra to the sea.
Must see Joe! Let's go!
Molly of Denali.
Yeah!
She's Molly of Denali.
Come on, let's go!
Molly of Denali. She's Molly of Denali.
Huskies. Now click on that icon. Now I see you, Auntie Myrna. But I can't hear you. Click the button for the sound. Just don't click the red button. I lost you again.
Complicates everything and... Oh, there you are. Can you see me?
I see you, Auntie. Hi.
Basi, Molly. Thank you.
Is that your new puppy? She's so cute.
I named her Dastal because her face is like the full moon.
Suki, this is your cousin Doth. Oh.
Now the dog relatives can see each other too. Oh, there they are. I've been searching for these all morning.
What?
My keys. I always set them down and then I can never find them.
I wish I could help with that.
Me too, Molly. Maybe you could get the computer to find them for me.
I don't think it works like that, Auntie.
Is there a button I could push that?
Just not the red one. Yeah! Got it.
Thanks! Let's make another video, but this one will be really noisy.
Hi, Kenji.
Hi, Molly.
Are you packing for your trip, Dad?
Yes, I'll be gone for 5 days. But I can't find my wallet.
I can help.
Thanks.
Luca! Wallet!
What's Luca doing?
My dad always loses his wallet, so I trained Luca to find it for him.
That's amazing.
Good boy! Got it!
Thanks, Chewy. And Luca.
Auntie Myrna is always losing her keys.
She should train her dog to find them for her. It's easy.
We can make a video that would show Auntie how to do it.
Yes, we can use Luca.
Don't forget, I'm taking Luca with me on my trip. Come on, boy. Ikimashou. Let's go. See you kids later.
Okay, Plan B.
You know, it takes a long time to train a dog. I worked with Luca for 2 weeks before she found her first wallet.
Suki's super smart.
Here, I wrote down all the steps for training a dog to find lost keys.
Okay, looks easy enough. Tui, why don't you take the video and walk me and Suki through the steps?
Okay. Step 1. Get your dog excited about the keys.
Suki Bear, look at this. Do you want to play with this? Yes! She did it! She's interested in them.
Okay, now, step 2, praise and reward. So compliment her and give her a treat when she does something right.
Good girl. Who has the best ears? You do. Yes, you do. This is easy. She'll be trained in no time. What's step 3?
Toss the keys. It's basically fetch.
Oh, Suki's great at playing fetch. Ready, Suki? Ready? Go get 'em! Huh. This might take longer than I thought.
Hey, Molly. Are you still editing the video from yesterday?
Yeah, I'm trying to make it look like Suki is better trained than she really is. Tell me what you think. Suki Bear, look at this! Do you want to play with this? Yes! She did it! She's interested in them. Good girl. Who has the best ears? You do. Yes, you do. Ready, Suki? Ready? Go get 'em! You found them! Good girl, Suki. Come on, let go. Okay, Suki Bear. Hey, come back! What do you think?
It's funny.
It's not supposed to be funny, Tui. It's supposed to teach Auntie how to train her dog.
Huh. It won't do that.
Our movie star isn't such a great actor. Any ideas?
Let's see. Maybe you should add shots where you're saying each step, like step 1, get your dog excited about keys.
Yes! And I could put the written step on screen. That would make it really clear.
Good idea. And you don't say the word keys on the video that much.
That's okay. Auntie will know what I'm talking about.
No, it's for the dog. You have to say keys whenever you touch the keys, so the dog learns the word. It's called a cue word. It's really important.
Oh, then maybe it should be its own step, like step 2, use the cue word. Keys.
Good, but you have to say keys a lot, like every step. Maybe we should redo the whole video so you can use the cue word more.
No, I think I know how to fix this.
Great!
Akote! Done!
Finally.
It's a lot better now. Take a look.
Hey, the bongos! That's me!
Gives it a little pizzazz. How to train a dog to find your lost keys. Step 1. Get your dog excited about your keys. Jiggle your keys and smile to get your dog excited about the keys. Suki Bear, look at these. Do you want to play with these? Step 2. Use the cue word, keys. Say the word keys a lot, so your dog learns what the word means. Suki Bear, look at
The keys!
Do you want to play with?
The keys!
Pretty clever how I did that, huh?
Yeah, I barely noticed.
Step 3, praise and reward. Every time your dog touches the keys, tell her good dog and give her a treat. Good girl. Who has the best ears? You do. Yes, you do. Step 4, toss the keys. Play fetch with your dog using the keys. This trains her to find them and bring them back to you. Ready, Suki? Ready? Go get 'em!
The keys!
5. Find the keys. Now we're ready for a little test. Pretend to lose your keys and see if your dog can find them. Oh no! I can't believe what has happened. My keys are gone. What's that, Suki? You'll find them? Suki searched high and low for those keys.
When did it snow?
February. I needed an action shot. You found them! Oh, Suki, thank you! And that's how you train your dog to find your keys.
The video's so much better.
Thanks. Do you think Auntie Myrna will be able to train Doth with it?
Huh.
I have something to show you, Shania, Molly. Hey, Darth all. Keys. I've been training her the last few weeks using your video.
Has it helped? Oh, sorry it's not working, Auntie.
No, it is. That's where I hid the keys.
She did it!
Good dog. Yes. Soon she'll be just as smart as Suki.
Or maybe even smarter.